everyone, welcome to the series of SPSS tutorial. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert histogram in SPSS. You can find more videos on SPSS, Jamovi, RStudio, MS Excel and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's begin with the data set. So here I have the data set of students and their marks. You can see the continuous variable is marks that shows the internal marks out of 50, and students from three streams: arts, science and management. And then we have gender, so one is assigned to male and two is assigned to female. You can see the data. I have hypothetical data set of 30 students. So let's say we want to insert the histogram for marks. So for that, go to graphs. In graphs, go to legacy dialogues, and in legacy dialogues we have the option of histogram. Graphs, legacy dialogues, histogram. Once you click on histogram, you can see this dialog box. So now we want to insert the histogram for internal marks. So select it and move it to the variable box, and then select display normal curve. Click on titles. Here you can write chart 1 histogram for internal marks. Click continue and simply click OK. So this is our histogram for marks, internal marks. So you can see we have a perfectly bell-shaped curve, and therefore the distribution follows, or the distribution of internal marks follows normal distribution. However, I'm not going into the details of checking the normality. I have a separate video on that. Here we are going to see how to insert histogram. Now suppose we want to insert the histogram for each faculty. So in data set we have three faculties: arts, science and management. So suppose we want the histogram for each faculty separately. So for that, again you go to histogram dialog box, select faculty and move this faculty to panel by box in rows. So now we have faculty in panel by rows box, and simply click OK, and now you see the result. We have three histograms, three separate histograms, one for arts, one for science and one for management. Similarly, suppose we want gender wise. So instead of faculty, we select gender. So move gender to rows box and click OK. So we have two histograms, one for male students and one for female students. Suppose we want interaction. We want histogram for male arts, science and management students and female arts, science and management students. So for that, here in rows box we have selected gender. Now we move faculty to columns box. So it gives us the interaction of gender and faculty. Click OK, and now you see the result. So this is for male. So male arts students, male science students and male management students, and similarly for female arts, science and management students. So this is how we can insert histogram in SPSS. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.